In a previous presentation, we extended Hill but Hotel Infinity to introduce hash numbers as decentralized identifiers on Omni Web, a project to build a truly decentralized web owned and operated by individual users and free software programmers. In this presentation, we shall show examples of how you may log into an Omni server, using public key cryptographic algorithms, shown as variable PBK in the video, and perform some simple and complex operations. As with the previous presentation, this video is part of Omni training, at level 3, which is aimed at experienced programmers to set up Omni server. It also contains some level 2 knowledge, showing users how to log into an Omni server. The previous presentation is level 1, aimed at the general audience without too many technical details. You may log into Omni test server via I2P, Invisible Internet Project, or NG-ROC tunnel connections. These are technologies designed to bypass domain name system, which devilishly prevented millions of programmers from setting servers from their home garages. BitTorrent, Tor and I2P are closely related and were publicly released in 2001, 2002 and 2003 respectively. Viewers may look them up on Wikipedia. We shall demonstrate how I2P and NG-ROC server are set up on Linux Ubuntu environment to address viewers' concerns about its security and trustworthiness. Compared to I2P server, NG-ROC server allows anyone to connect with a browser without proxy settings. Firstly, connect to Omni Web GitHub homepage at omnixtur.github.io. Click on the green button labeled NG-ROC. The browser will be redirected to Omni server login demo page bearing an NG-ROC address, by the JavaScript variable window.location. Omni Web login demo page will display 2 steps of instructions. Before we explain the steps for login, let us move the dialog boxes around so that they will not obstruct the text results returned by Omni server. We will hide 2 of the dialog boxes and move the remaining 1 to the top of the screen using JavaScript via the browser console. JavaScript function document query selector selects all elements of class chat pop-up. An index between 0 to 2 identify the dialog box to hide or move. Assigning none to variable style.display will hide the dialog box. Assigning block to the variable will show the dialog box. Style.right sets the horizontal position and style.bottom sets the vertical position. If you click on Auth button before GenKeys button, you will get a message from the server showing public key variable PBK is null. If you click on GenKeys button followed by Auth button, you will get a message from the server showing the value of public key variable PBK. The authentication protocol that is employed on Omni server is a variation of RSA or public key cryptography. Viewers may refer various websites about RSA cryptography. Typically Party B uses the public key of Party A to encrypt a secret phrase. Party B then sends the ciphertext to Party A, who then uses his or her own private key to decrypt the ciphertext. On Omni server, we extend this protocol by letting Party A representing the browser front-end sends the decrypted secret phrase back to Party B representing the back-end server. If the browser is able to decrypt the ciphertext using its private key, then the back-end server will check if the decrypted secret phrase sent back by the browser is correct, then approve the authentication. The secret phrase is stored in the variable SP and shown in the results returned by the server. Finally, we enter the command myhash in the dialog box, then press the nickname Madam button to send it to the back-end Omni server. It generates the hash of public key of HPBK of the user, which can be used as a decentralized identifier. A typical HPBK will be 53-bit long or around 12 characters in base 64 encoding.